my god, I'm trash, this fuzzy ponytail. Sorry. Hey everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm super excited because I'm going to be unboxing my Spring FabFitFun. For those of you that don't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box, and typically I think they're $50 a box. I subscribe annually, so I actually pay $45 a box because I'm billed all at once, whatever. I think I only actually have one box after this left on my billing cycle, and we'll see if I renew. I honestly haven't been very impressed lately, but who knows? This box could be a winner. Let's find out. When you open it up, it's always got like a magazine and then some random coupon stuff in it. I like that Gina Rodriguez is the feature for this season, I guess. I love her. I think she is just goals. She is beautiful and talented, and love, love, love her. Other than that, I don't really read the magazine, but I actually might, just to see what they interviewed her about. I mostly use it because it tells you how much the items that you have are worth and pretty much like a little rundown on what they are. So let's throw these coupons out because I always ignore them. Here's what my box looks like when I open it up. At least everything's really nice and neat. Let's see here. So there are certain items in the box, I think 3, that everyone gets to customize. And then because I'm an annual member, I think I get to customize like 2 extra things, maybe just 1 extra thing. I don't know, and I always feel like I pick the most random shit when it gets here. Like I forgot that I got that, but let's see. First choice would have been between some light therapy wrinkle thing that sounded like Hocus Pocus, some sweater coat, some rug, a tote bag, or, oh, there's a lot of choices, or some tie-dye bowls, or some LMS Peptide 4-Night Recovery Cream Oil. I think that's what I got. Yeah. Alright, so I picked the LMS Peptide 4-Night Recovery Cream Oil. I'm really into peptides in my skincare. Now, I don't really know the ingredients on this. I don't know if they're the same either. Actually, you know what? I'll do this. I just saw Jen Loves Reviews did a review, and she was looking up if her ingredients matched what was on the website. I'll do the same, and I'll put it on the screen if they do match. But I am actually excited to try this out, so that's okay. They say it retails for $59. I would never pay that for it, but since it's in the box, that's fine, I guess. Okay, so the next choices were between some packing cubes, Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion, an umbrella, Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer, Tarte Pro Glow Highlighter and Contour, or a 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. I picked the Tarte Moisturizer. I've actually never had a full size of this, but I have had like little sample sizes from Sephora, and I really do like this one, so I'm happy to have it. This retails for $39. Again, I wouldn't pay that for it just because it's not my favorite ever, but it is good. Moving right along. Fucking so stupid. I'm so stupid. Okay, so there's a choice between a necklace, a gravity-weighted sleep mask, a 2-in-1 Purifying Glow mask collection. That just looked cheap to me. Cosmetics Pure Sea, or Green Goo Hibiscus plant-based body scrub. I picked the necklace. I don't wear jewelry except for my freaking wedding ring and band. Why did I pick this? It's not even cute. It looks like little coins. I'm not even gonna open this. This looks really cheap. It sounds really cheap, and they say it retails for $50. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah, no. Next, we had a choice between an Aria Beauty detangling brush, some kind of body oil, Stone Cold Fox tea towels, or Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. I chose the Damage Remedy from Aveda. I've actually used this before. I'm still going through a tube, and I really like it, so I just picked this again. It retails for $31. I wouldn't pay that for it. I'm so cheap, but it's nice. Did I have a choice here? I don't know that I had a choice in this. I really don't think I did. So I think the box chooses for you. There was either a fast food leave-on conditioner, an aromatic hand wash, a body wash, or a Bluetooth wireless speaker for your shower, or a Ciate London eyeliner, or a dual salt and pepper mill. What did I get? I don't even know what they sent me. I'm so confused. Okay, so here's the thing. I just read you those choices. I added it up with the rest of the products in my box. I didn't get any of those. So what did I say? Leave-on conditioner, hand wash, body wash, wireless speaker, or an eyeliner, or a dual salt and pepper mill. I got the Scandinavia makeup setting spray. The fuck? This wasn't an option. I don't know how much this retails for because it's literally not in the magazine. Okay. Okay, whatever. Okay, next, there's the This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. I guess it's like a body lotion. or a matcha restoring mask. Oh, those were the only 2 options. Unfortunately, they sent me this thing when I would have rather had that mask. This works. Am I confusing it with just It Works? It Works is an MLM. Is This Works an MLM? Because I feel like it's an MLM, but it might not be. Either way, I don't want this. I don't really like body lotion. It retails for $40. Next, they chose for us, there were either silicone straws, Wander Beauty mascara, or a Spongel. I would have gladly liked that mascara or the Spongel. Instead, I got the silicone straws. This is good because I do want to be like better for the environment, but I don't know. It's kind of wigged me out. It does come with a cleaner though. Might not be so bad. What is this? Oh, it's a case so you can fold it up and take a straw with you. I get it. That's cute. We'll see. We'll see. These retail for $15. Lastly, they would have either sent me a rainbow lip balm, a watermelon peel, or thermal spring water. They sent me the watermelon peel from Pure Lease. Normally I wouldn't be into these types of products, but I think Jimlo's reviews said the ingredients weren't that bad and I could always wash it off, so that's fine. It retails for $35. So I paid $45 for this box. Out of the products that I got, it's hard because this Elemis thing, I'm like happy to try it, but I would have never bought it. Like probably not even for $10 because I just have so much skincare and I don't really care, so no value. This necklace looks like trash. Again, I mean, $5. We'll put $5 on the straws. This hair cream, we'll say like, I don't know, $8. I'd pay $8 for this if I saw it at like TJ Maxx or something. This Tarte moisturizer, I'd pay $20 for this. This is a really good moisturizer. I wouldn't buy this Works cream. I wouldn't buy this peel, and I wouldn't buy this setting spray. Was that all I got? Ooh. So according to my calculations and what I thought about this box and what I'll actually use, I say it's worth $33. I paid $45. I did not get my money's worth. The good thing about subscription boxes and why I'm okay with doing them is you can usually resell some of your items and get some of your money back. So that's not so bad. A lot of these things I can just put up on my Mercury or Poshmark and try to get some of my money that I spent on the box back. More than likely though, my next box after that, I'm not gonna recontinue my subscription. However, the thing that gets me every time is their edit sales and their add-on sales. I did shop the add-on sale this time. I tried to resist, but man, they just have such good deals. So the add-on sale is things you can add onto your box, and it's fab items, fit items, fun items, like beauty stuff, fit stuff. My cart was ridiculous. It was like up to $300 and I was like, bitch, reel it in. So I ended up spending $60 and I got all beauty related items. So they had this Pixi Skin Treats Glow Mist. Pixi actually just sent me a smaller bottle, like their normal size bottle of this last month with a little PR package, and I loved it. It was my first time using it. Well, they had this big ass size. This is 160 mils for $9. So I had to scoop it up. Basically all their stuff's anywhere from like 20% off to 70% off, but a lot of it's on the higher end, so there's that. And then I got these 3 babies from Kosas. So Kosas is I say Kosas. Is that too obnoxious? Is it Kosas? What should I say? Whatever, Kosas, I want to get into them. They had these things. They're normally, I think, like 30-ish, maybe. Well, they were on sale for $17. And this is just like a powder duo. Bronzers. Let me swatch it. At least just this one. At least I think they're bronzers. I really don't know. Color and Light. There's no way. Are these bronzers? What the hell is this? No, I'm wrong. This is a blush. This is a highlight. That's that one. Is shade on here anywhere? It just says Contra Chroma. Okay, here we go. Color and Light, pressed powder, blush, and highlighter. There we go. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, I thought they were cream products when I bought them though. That's okay. So that was that one. This one is called Velvet Melon. Okay, this is a cream. So I wasn't totally off base. Ooh, that feels great. So there's the blush. Ooh, it's a beautiful pinky shade. And the highlight. I don't even know if you guys can see that because I'm filming on my iPhone. I am trying to get more into cream products though, which is why I bought these in the first place. So I'm glad I wasn't totally wrong about that. This one is called Eighth Muse. This one's a little more of a pinky duo. This one is also cream. Gorgeous. Yeah, that's really beautiful. So I am so excited to try these. I think it was worth the $17 price point because, like I said, Kosas is a brand I really want to get into, but they're a little pricey because they're still kind of, I guess because they're still kind of newer. I'm not really sure, but there's those. All right, guys, and that was it for my FabFitFun box. It wasn't fit at all. Barely fab and not very fun. Yeah, I don't know. If you get FabFitFun, let me know what you thought of this season's box. I'd love to know in the comments below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.